Hey everyone, Jason here, and welcome to blog episode 7 of Jason's O-Gauge Trains. First, a big thank you to all who subscribe to this channel. I just hit 9,000 subscribers, and I plan to do a live stream soon to celebrate that milestone, so big thanks to you all, and let's go hit 10,000 subscribers next. Today, I have a new engine to unbox. At least, it's new to me. And as you can see from the box, it's a Norfolk Southern Heritage unit. And we're going to unbox it and check it out today on Jason's O-Gauge Trains. So, the New York Central Heritage Unit. New York Central is my favorite Fallen Flags railroad, and being that Norfolk Southern is my favorite modern railroad, even I was surprised that I didn't have the New York Central Heritage Unit already. After seeing it recently while out rail fanning, I decided that I needed to track one down for myself. And thanks to trains.com, I was able to purchase one almost immediately. That's trains with a Z. And right now, you can use promo code JDStucks to get $10 off of your next online order at trains.com. Again, that's promo code JDStucks for $10 off your next online order at trains.com. Okay, let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Well, there it is. What a sharp looking engine. It was listed online as used, but after inspecting the wheels and the pickup rollers, it looks like this thing has never been out of the box. Once I get it programmed and fired up, I'll take a look at the chronometer to see just how much runtime is on it. Now, I should mention that this engine was cataloged in the MTH 2013 Volume 1 catalog and was delivered in September of 2013. All of the MTH Premier NS Heritage units released that year came in this special black and white Norfolk Southern Heritage Series box. Many of the NS Heritage units have been re-released since 2013, but they don't come in this cool Norfolk Southern black and white box. Only the models released in 2013. Now, I'm not going to do a full review on this model. It's typical MTH Premier line, which means it's equipped with MTH's DCS system with ProtoSound 3.0. It's highly detailed. It has 2 motors, a sound system, a smoke unit. It has working ditch lights on the front. And one thing that I really like that MTH included on all of these Heritage units was ditch lights on the rear as well. I can never figure out why MTH chose to put ditch lights on some of their Premier line diesels and didn't on some of the others, but I'm really glad they chose to include the ditch lights on these Heritage units. Of the 20 original real-life Norfolk Southern Heritage unit paint schemes, this is the 7th one in O-scale that I've added to my collection. I already have the Conrail, the Southern, the Penn Central, the Pennsylvania Railroad, Nickel Plate Road, and Norfolk and Western Heritage units in my collection. I intend on this being the final Norfolk Southern Heritage unit I buy, but hey, I've said that before. Anyway, let's get this thing fired up, running around the layout. Alright, let's take a look at the chronometer and the odometer and see just how much runtime this engine has had. 35 minutes and 55 seconds on the chronometer. Wow. That's pretty much a brand new locomotive. The odometer, 1.6 scale miles. This thing has barely been run. Might as well be considered brand new. That's awesome. Let's go through some of the soft key sound options.
Choice, they might as well tighten down, over.
there you have it. The MTH Premier Norfolk Southern New York Central Heritage Unit. If you're looking for this engine, the product number is 20-20274-1. And because it came out in 2013, your best bet on finding one is going to be to look on eBay, train forums, Facebook, or you could do what I did and do a quick search on trains.com. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Feel free to ask questions in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.